Cat was walking down the road in his brand new white shoes. Pete loves his white shoes so much. He's saying this song. I love my white shoes. 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 I love my... Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. 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 I love my... Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. 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 I love my... Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown. And all the blue. And all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? Why, but now they are wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 A moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song because it's all good.